Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to find out rank of matrix using echelon form. So to find out rank of matrix using echelon form, first we should know what is meant by echelon form of a matrix. This echelon form of a matrix is also called row reduced to echelon form. So here we need to remember some points if you want to reduce the given matrix into echelon form. What is that first point? The leading entry of a non-zero row should be 1. Second point, all the column elements below the leading entry 1 must be 0. Third point, if any 0 rows, it should come below all non-zero rows. Consider this example. This matrix already it is there in echelon form, because you can see this is the first row. This first row is non-zero row, correct? Again you can see the leading entry of a non-zero row should be 1. This is the leading entry of this non-zero row, that is already 1. Second point, all the column elements below the leading entry 1 must be 0. These are the column elements below this leading entry 1, all are 0. Again here this is the leading entry, below this leading entry all the column elements are 0. This is the leading entry, again this leading entry below the column elements are 0. Therefore, second point, what we need to do is we need to reduce all the column elements below this leading entry to 0. Next, third point, if any 0 rows, it should come below all non-zero rows. So, in this example, the fourth row is the 0 row. Okay, it means if any 0 rows available, it should come below of all non-zero rows. This is the non-zero row, this is also non-zero row, and this is also non-zero row, but here this 0 row coming below of this non-zero rows, that is the point number 3. Therefore, this matrix already it is there in which form? Echelon form. Next, rank of matrix. The number of non-zero rows in a row reduced to echelon form called rank of matrix, and it is denoted by R of A or row of A. So what we need to do is, if you want to find out a rank of matrix, first we should reduce the given matrix into echelon form. Already we know, if you want to reduce the given matrix into echelon form, we need to remember these 3 points. Point number 1, point number 2, point number 3. After reducing the given matrix into echelon form, next we need to find out the rank. How to find out that rank? See here, the number of non-zero rows in a row reduced to echelon form. This means first we need to reduce given matrix into echelon form. After reducing to echelon form, next we need to search for number of non-zero rows. In this example, we can see this is already there in echelon form. After reducing to echelon form, search here number of non-zero rows. This is first non-zero row, this is the second non-zero row, this is third non-zero row, and this is fourth non-zero row. Therefore, rank of this above matrix directly goes to how much here? 4, because in this there are 4 non-zero rows. But if we see this example, how to find out the rank? See, it is already reduced to echelon form, but in this matrix there are 3 non-zero rows. First non-zero row, second non-zero row, third non-zero row, but last one is a zero row. Please don't consider this. Therefore here rank of matrix goes to 3.